From the hood, canned goods and paper plates, where everybody fucked up, nobody paper straight. I had to pick a trade and get on this paper chase, cause if you ain't getting paper, you just a paperweight. I've been to Sam, Suzanne, made me great. Sunstead, winning way, Galen way, what a hateful place. But them my stumping grounds, and I still be coming round. Whether I'm pumping the D or either dumping rounds, let off shots so more than one occasion. I ain't just talking blunts when I say that I be blazing. I'm from the PJs where we raised like we crazy, so we see days when certain people see K's. Welcome to my backyard, all you see is some J's and a bunch of D boys out there hitting plays. Some niggas hitting licks, some bitches turning tricks, but everybody trying to get paid off in this bitch. Get Chevrolets and Escalades off what we pitch. Some in their graves or see the cage, your life's a bitch. And I done seen one, can't help but meet the other, but I'm still fucking that bitch life like she my baby mother. I'm from the gutter, so what the fuck I got to lose? I know you watching me, if you ever watch the news. Bird flu, yeah, I went front page for trafficking, cause when it came to moving weight, I was a traffic king. I told streets, cause nothing in them new to me. I only spit facts, get on the internet and Google me. Fuck your mixtape, bitch, everybody know me. They run you off the block, bitch, cause you's a no B. That stand for body, nigga, all I do is body niggas. Got a couple bodies with a chopper, fuck a shotty, nigga. Burning dough, yeah, we so hard body, nigga. My fam, illy, we the shit, no potty, nigga. Yeah, man, motherfucking burning dough, nigga. Hachoo back, nigga.
Hachoo.
All these niggas telling this shit on this motherfucking news shit, man. Can't take it
Ain't no more playing GA. From the hood, canned goods and paper plates. Laugh now, just wait till I get my paper straight. I'm from the hood, canned goods and paper plates. Laugh now, just wait till I get my paper straight. I'm from the hood, canned goods and paper plates. Laugh now, just wait till I get my paper straight. I'm from the hood, canned goods and paper plates. Laugh now, just wait till I get my paper straight.